We're just gonna start with a drumstick and just start ripping the meat off. The other thing I wanna show you here about this, so we had the drumstick coming off here, and here's the thigh, and there's just one bone, as you know, in the thigh. So once we rip that off, you will see, I'm gonna show you something here. So see that, there's the knuckle, where the thigh bone came out of. And a lot of people will take the leg off, and then they'll move on to the wing and the breast, but they forget about one little morsel of meat. It's called the oyster, and it's so luscious because it's dark meat, and it's at the bottom of the bird, so it's like sitting in the juices, and it just becomes so moist and flavorful. And it's right below that knuckle of the thigh. And if I move some of the skin over here, you'll be able to see it. Okay, and once I take it out, if you run your thumb in there and you just pull it out, okay, and you'll see it. There's the knuckle for the top thigh bone, and it's just below that on the bottom of the bird. There's a little divot there. And that's the oyster meat, and it's so tasty. So like when you're carving a bird, you have a turkey or something, and you're carving it, always flip the bird over and get that bit. It's so tasty. Taking that thigh off, there's that singular bone of the thigh, and if you look here, there's the knuckle of where that thigh bone came from, and then just below, again, is that oyster meat there.